Select Create Route in the Route library. Name the route. Safe takeoff altitude is the height value relative to the takeoff point. If the safe takeoff altitude is higher than the route altitude, the aircraft will first ascend to the safe takeoff altitude and fly horizontally to above the starting point of the route. Then descend to the altitude of the route starting point to begin operations. If the safe takeoff altitude is lower than the route altitude, the aircraft will first ascend to the safe takeoff altitude and climb vertically to the route altitude. Then fly horizontally to the starting point of the route. Direct routing. When enabled, aircraft will ascend to safe takeoff altitude and fly straight to start point. Return route. Backtrack RTH means the aircraft will return along the original flight path. Recommended for use when there are many obstacles. For direct return, it can improve return efficiency. For altitude mode, it is recommended to select altitude above sea level. The route altitude is the aircraft's height relative to sea level/ellipsoid surface. The flight speed refers to the horizontal speed of the aircraft when executing the route. The completion action can be set to RTH, hover, or land. It is recommended to use turns before waypoint, flies through 4 waypoint type. Search for the operation area location in the search bar on the right. Select marker points and mark them at the route start and end points respectively. Click on Auto Route. Select the route start point and route endpoint. Set the start point altitude, end point altitude, and flight altitude. Click Generate to automatically generate the route. Open the flight route altitude profile to check if the route altitude is safe. Turn off Smart Route. You can also click 3D to open the 3D map for inspection. Hold Alt key and drag mouse left button up and down to adjust waypoint altitude. After checking if there are obstacles like high voltage towers in the route, you can add waypoint actions and waypoints. Auto release payload means the aircraft will hover after reaching the waypoint. Then the winch will release the cargo to touch the ground. Open the hook to drop the cargo, and then retract the electric hook. If there are multiple waypoint actions, drag to change the action sequence. Check the route for no abnormalities, and click Save to complete route planning. When performing a task for the first time, route verification should be conducted first to confirm no risks before executing the operation.